they would consider the financial circumstances that you declare in your application form. Second, they would consider your past travel history, if any. Third, they would consider your family circumstance. Now, what I mean by they would consider the strong ties that you have in your country of residence. And then they would also consider the supporting documents that you provide. Now you see how it's very important. These 4 things, if you get it right, your visa application will be approved. The bank statement should have periodic income. If you earn a monthly income, ensure that the bank statement you're attaching is the one that has the regular income that is paid into your bank account. You might ask me, oh, how much should I have? I have a video that answers that question, how much you need to have. So I would include the link here so you can go watch that video to see how much you need to have in your bank account to be granted a visa if you want to know. In terms of proving ties, I always advise people that if you have a property, you have title documents to your property, you also want to include it. Basically what that does is that it just shows that, oh, look, you have this investment. If you have monetary investment, you have fixed income, you have investment in anywhere. It could be bonds, it could be mutual funds. You just have investments in the country. You want to attach that. If you have asset, you want to put it out there. Even in Nigeria, when people own things, when most people own it 100%, like if you're driving a car, chances are majority of people probably bought the car 100%, and so you have a receipt of purchase. You have the receipts that you purchased your car, you have your car documents. Yes, it forms part of your ties. Include it there. Then I also know, like in Nigeria, people pay their house rent 1 year, 2 years in advance. Like, imagine that you are traveling abroad. Would you be paying house rent for 2 years and then you abandon your house and travel? No. Now, that house rent that you have paid and your landlord gave you a receipt forms part of your ties. So put it in there. Like, okay, my rent expired last month. I renewed. I want to travel next month. I'm still coming back. I have a home to come back to. That's qualifies as ties. So I'm saying that these little things that you do can actually help prove that you do have strong ties in your country. Now, because travel history is also important, you also want to of course scan pages of your the stamps you have from your previous travels, to also include there. If you have visas, with the stamps, these are also things that would actually help you. So I hope that this was useful. If you don't want to apply, for Schengen visa, the US visa, there are content on this blog to help you. So don't just watch this one, watch others, so you can do it better. Like I've traveled, I'm able to bring content like this because I have traveled across 5 continents of the world with a Nigerian passport. Trust me, I have been to more embassies than I can count, so I know what I'm saying. And most of these things I did it alone. You don't need anyone to actually help you do it. You can actually do it yourself. So do it yourself and then share your experience here. Leave your comments if you have any questions and I would respond. Thank you very much for joining me today and have a good day.